right, good morning. Welcome to Forex.Today, the YouTube community of almost 20,000 foreign exchange traders. Today we are gathered here to conduct technical and fundamental analysis with the overriding goal of putting together trade plans for this wonderful, beautiful New York trading session. If you're trading along with me using a demo account, then regardless of whether your plans are successful or not, you will have an opportunity to learn. Trading and investing is risky and not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. My name is Wayne. I'm a currency trader just like you. Ask questions, get involved, and I will share my 20 years of trading experience with you. Technical analysis is great. Ask about scalping, spot, swing, carry, position trading. Macroeconomics is fair game as well. I have a macroeconomics degree from Harvard. Cool. So I can cover some of that. And what else? I don't know. Just general trading stuff. We got a lot going on today. I recommend that we take a look at the calendar and then get ready for the big risk events of the week. And there's more than one, although there is a doozy. If you need resources, if you got a problem, I'll solve it. Hey, if you need some resources, check in the description below the video. In the description, you will find a link to my book, a link to free video training courses, a link to paid video training courses, a link to my chart templates, a link to all kinds of things. One of the resources you're going to need is a trustworthy broker that has a real symbiotic relationship with you. The idea is they don't make money by trading against you. that kind of simple thing. And hey, Euro Swissy is near that parity. We played parity about a week ago. In fact, almost exactly a week ago. Well, a bajillion years ago, we had Euro Swissy at a key level in which the Swiss National Bank was defending the value of their currency. And one day, without warning, they pulled that peg, and major brokers around the world went out of business. No joke. Hundreds of millions of dollars were lost like that. The interesting thing is Trader's Way was not negatively impacted. And so what that told me is that they actually enter your trades into the interbanking system and they don't put you over on something and trade against you, right? So I'm like, dude, awesome. So tradersway.com, yes, fast execution speed, yes, narrow spreads, yes, big swaps, and all those things are awesome. But how about business ethics? Is that the kind of thing that you want with an execution partner for your successful trading business? The answer is yes, then at least check them out, tradersway.com. And here he is, and here we shall be. Let us move over to indices and see where we stand. In fact, before we get caught up on that, I want to move over to the calendar. Forex.Today. Oh, what's that? That's so weird. All right, let's go through the calendar. First of all, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're in good mind and spirit. Okay. Everything good? This is a big week. We've been waiting for it for a long time. Ojo says earlier than usual. No. But the time did change. Yes. So when you're trading, you have to pay attention to these things. And I'm not slapping you because it's easy to forget. But nonetheless, as currency traders, we trade around the banking system. If banks are closed, you're going to lose volume. And you're going to probably lose volatility. But certainly volume, right? So if a British bank is closed, you got to know that. If an American bank is closed, you got to know that. if Shenzhen gets shut down because of COVID, which it did last night, you should know that. And that's going to negatively impact things like the stock market in China, which got crushed by 8% yesterday. Why? Well, more shutdowns because of COVID. You should know that. So, yes, most calendars will tell you that time in the United States changed over the weekend. And therefore, when volume and volatility hits our thing called Forex, will change. Okay? Yeah. RC Cola says, yeah, hey, an hour earlier is not bad. Yeah, cool. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Anywho, I will post this so you can get your details. Okay, for example, okay, this information here, make sure you're going to download that and read it. It's this one, though, isn't it? No, that's the next one. Yeah, cool. March 15th. Right on. Inflation creeping up in Australia, 3.5%, but in the UK, it's 5.5%, and in the United States, it's 7.9%. Oh, whoa. Okay, but what we want to see is wage growth there more than headline inflation. So just, bear in mind you got stuff to do, huh? What's going wrong with you? Well, first of all, there's nothing wrong. What it is correct. Anyways, let's move on. La 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 la. Okay, jobs out of the UK. Obviously Tuesday, that'll be interesting. Anything going else? PPI in the United States, great. Import-export data out of Japan, sure. We want to know. This import is interesting, right? Now, a lot of that is going to be because prices are higher, but we also want to see some decent growth out of exports. But again, if you can't make a Toyota because you're missing some semiconductors, then that's going to hit them hard. I believe Ford announced that 37 supply partners were late on sending supplies. Okay, so that'll be interesting. Now, in the United States, here's the doozy. 8:30 in the morning, U.S. retail sales. Super ridiculously important. Of course, we're going to look at this to see if there's any demand destruction because of the inflation. Okay, inflation out of Canada. Okay, huge. Then FOMC. Holy smokes, there's the big interest rate decision. So that's the doozy. That's the 9,000-pound gorilla. Zipping over here, then later on, we got that Kiwi GDP and Aussie jobs report. Like, Wednesday's redonkulous, huh? Yeah. Interest rate decision. Holy smokes. Bank of Japan monetary policy and interest rate decision. Holy smokes. A lot going on in the world, huh? That's crazy. And then China interest rate decision. Maybe they cut. Amazing week, huh? Amazing week. Amazing week. Just crazy amazing week. Lots can go for you. Lots can go against you. Okay, what's going on? Are we losing YouTube again? Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. YouTube is going from excellent connection to no data to excellent connection to no data.